So as we were leaving Hiroshima, we finally ran into the first problem of our trip. Our third workaway had been cancelled. Our plan had been to have a night in Fukuoka and then spend 2 weeks working away in Itoshima by the beach, then to head down to my granny's friends in Kumamoto before flying back to Tokyo. But with the cancellation, we now had 2 weeks with no plans and trying to keep the budget down as much as possible. With no cheap accommodation around the Itoshima area, we headed for Fukutsu to chill out by the beach. Fukutsu was lovely, but it was a really quiet, sleepy town, so we decided to hop on the Shinkansen and spend the next week in Kumamoto. Kumamoto had been nice, but we had become fatigued with the repetitive city life. The disappointment with the workaway being cancelled and having to spend an additional 2 weeks budget had left us feeling a bit blue. But we soon caught the bus out of the city and found ourselves waiting at a stop in the middle of nowhere to be collected by my granny's Japanese friends. I have never met these people and I had no idea what to expect. The week that followed turned out to be the most surreal experience of my life. But I will save this story for when I am not so busy and can give it the time needed to share my experience properly. The next video will be us flying back to Tokyo and us visiting Mount Fuji, with it being our last week in Japan.